Good evening, Manning Oaks families. I am here to show you how to access your child's Seesaw account. It's a student online journal that they can get through ClassLink. As you can see, I've opened up my computer to a ClassLink, a Launchpad address for Fulton County, and I am going to enter in the student's lunch number or their Fulton County student ID, followed by their password, which is usually their birth date. Once you're in ClassLink, you're going to look for Seesaw. It is a bow tie. I like to tell the students, we're going to click on that bow tie, and you're going to find the wonderful tools that Seesaw has to offer that can make our digital learning during this time so easy. So you can see the journal right here. It opens up automatically to the journal, and there's nothing posted yet for this student. But in the future, when she starts to post things, this is where you would find those artifacts. A teacher might in the future post activities under this light bulb, and if they do, you click over activities, and then you will find the activity posted, and you would just press the green plus button to add or complete that activity. But if I go back to the journal, I want to introduce you to the normal tools that Seesaw has to offer. So here is the plus button. You can see that students can take pictures. So anytime they have a math page that they've completed at home, you can upload it. They've drawn a character, upload it. They've written a story, you can upload it. They can draw right on Seesaw. They can video themselves reading so our teachers can listen to their fluency. If you complete something that is on your device, you can upload it through here. This one is basically like taking notes. And then this, you can actually link other URLs to your Seesaw page. Typically, our students don't do the linking. We like them to stick into these ones that I'm highlighting. But let's look at the photo. So if I click on photo, your computer might ask for access to it. Just hit allow. But I can hold my piece of paper up of my learning artifact, press the button, the camera button, and I've taken a picture of that. The tools down below let the kids narrate more. So I can write this is me. You can see I can change the color to, oop, I didn't change my color, sorry. There it goes. So I can change the color. I can also change the width. If I come to the pencil, you can change the width. So if you make any mistakes, kids can erase and start again. I love this because this allows them to type. Oops. Type the answer, and then they can move it around on their screen to a better spot. And I can open it up, make it wider. This, the kids can annotate and record themselves. Here they can take another picture. So imagine that, having a picture within a picture. So if I click that, hit photo, click that picture, and now I have that picture within a picture if I want. If I hit these three buttons, they can add any shape. So let's say I want to represent a number with my hundredths block. So I'll make this a little smaller. Here's 100. Oh, my teacher wants me to do 102. Okay, let me go back, and I need to grab my ones. So I need 1 and 2 to make up the number 102. So now we have the ability to have our students represent math numbers. I'll try to do this as quick as possible. And then you can even go back and grab that plus button. And I can do, oh, I want it a little bit thicker. 100 plus 2. Oh, lucky I have my eraser. I can fix that. 2. So now they're also doing math problems or drawing pictures for your teacher. Once this is all complete, this green check mark lets them post it. But I want to draw you to this picture in picture. So students can add additional pages. So this is my first page. Let's say I want a second page. If I click down here, now I can do a second page. So maybe I want to type in here, I can represent the number 102. So now they're doing multiple pages for their teacher. So that's this great way of using Seesaw. Add the green check, and it uploads. So see how it's waiting for my teacher approval? So if I come back to this green check, your students, like I said earlier, can video themselves reading to their teacher. Here I love this one because they can practice their sight words and type them in. And then if we go, and then I'm going to check it. And then if we want to go back to the plus button and do the drawing, they can have a free canvas to draw. Here I didn't show you the background, but they can also change the background of their page. So I can have a purple background and then, of course, maybe start to, this is my story. And they could draw a story on here for their teachers. And then they would always just hit the green check and upload that for teacher approval. So this is a great tool to use at home with your child, and have lots of fun and show them the wonderful things that you are doing as your homeschool teacher for them. Have a great evening.